Here's a short video on how to change your webmail password for your email account with Wilkins IT. Accessing your webmail can be done by visiting the URL that is your website address, and then you just do /webmail on the end. And if your main website is with us, it will automatically redirect you to the webmail login. Other options are putting webmail dot and then your domain name. And if you have any issues with accessing this page, please open a support ticket with us. Once you log into your email address and click your login button, you will then be brought to this web page. This is your webmail inbox. Once you're inside your webmail inbox, you're going to want to click the webmail home that is located on the left-hand side. This will bring you to the main web page where you can change your password. Once you see this web page, you can then go up to your email address here, click, and then move down to password and security. And here you can change your password. We do recommend that you utilize our password generator to generate a secure password. If you'd like a more secure password, you can change this number all the way up to the max and then change also if there's lowercase and other options. Once you have generated this password, make sure you select it, right-click and copy, and then paste that password into your password tool so that you can save it and not forget it. Then you click I have copied and hit use password, and then click save, and then your password is successfully changed. You could alternatively type in a password that you like, and please note that it is going to give you a score based on your password. You will not be allowed to save a weak password. So common words and phrases or very little variability will not function. And that is how you successfully change your password with your Wilkins IT email. Have a great day.